Hello everyone! Welcome to University's Consultant. In this video, I will guide you step by step through the online application process for master's degree programs at the University of Insubria. Please watch the full video carefully and follow each step exactly as shown on the screen. Now let's move toward the application procedure. So here I write the University of Insubria. The University of Insubria is an Italian university located in Como and Varese, with secondary locations in Busto Arsizio and Serrano. First, open the official University of Insubria portal. Here, you can find information about degree programs, available courses, and other important details about the university. Now click on the course catalog. In the course catalog, you will the option Degree Programs click on it. Here, you see Browse all the courses. In the option Typology, click on the Master's Degree courses. In the Access Methods, click on the Free and Language option, click on the English, and then click on Search. Here you find the Master's Degree courses, which are completely taught in English. The courses are Biomedical Sciences, Biotechnology for the bio-based and health industry, Computer Science, Economics and Management, Hospitality for Sustainable Tourism, Mathematics and Physics. For example, I want to apply for biotechnology for the bio-based and health industry. Click on it. Here you can find all the detailed information about this master's degree, like typology, access methods, duration, location, and language. You can also read about course description and details. Admission requirements. About non-EU students. Also read about career opportunities. About formalities. Non-UE students. Session 2026-27. Here is mentioned the official link of application portal. Must read about the deadline. The deadline for session 2026 is 31st May 2026. Here you will also find the contacts and references about tutors. You can also ask about any information related to degree and university to write an email. And orientation meetings. Now click on Non-EU Students option and click on the official link. After click on the link, you will find the official form. Read all the application form carefully. What is required to fill and submit here in this form? You must ready it before. Now, write here your personal email. Make sure the email you use is active, because all official communication from the university will be sent to this address. Here, write your surname, name, your nationality. In the passport section, you need to upload the passport in PDF file not more than 10 MB. Now, write your email again here. Here, write your university name from which you get the degree. Write your degree like which field of degree you get. Write here the year of your graduation, in which year you complete the degree and graduated. Write here your final CGPA, indicated CGPA out of. Here, write the name of country from where you get graduate mean your bachelor study in which country university. Write here about in which language you taught the bachelor. Now, upload here your degree in PDF format. Then upload your transcript of record in PDF format. Here you ignore the master degree university because you apply for already master degree. You don't have a master degree yet, so ignore and leave this options. Now here mentioned the grade marks in the required subject, like molecular biology exam grade, cellular biology exam grade, Microbiology exam grade. Biochemistry exam grade. Genetics exam grade. Mentioned here, the grade that is mentioned in your transcript. Then upload a CV. Try to upload a Europass format CV in PDF format. Then, at the end, upload a motivation letter in PDF format and mentioned in your motivation letter about your education background and interest in this degree and university. Before submitting the application, carefully review all sections. Check that all information is correct. All documents are uploaded properly. No required field is missing. Once everything is confirmed, proceed to submit your application. After submission, you will receive a confirmation message or email. Make sure to monitor your email regularly. Always apply early and upload complete and accurate documents. If you need guidance with university applications, document preparation, or the overall study process in Italy, follow university's consultant for trusted and professional support. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your application.